You are watching CIO TV by Enterprise IT World, a production of Accent Info Media.
Hello and welcome to CIOTV.live. Welcome to JISEC Day 2 2024. As given to understand, we can see a footfall of 20,000 visitors, including the cybersecurity leaders, CISOs, and the stakeholder into this exposition this time from 200 countries. With me is Ezzeldin Hussein. His regional Senior Director Solution Engineering at SentinelOne, and he is based out of UAE and controlling the entire GCC and MENA region. Yes, then thank you very much for taking time and speaking to CIOTV.live.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here for the second year in a row and looking forward for more in the coming years, inshallah.
This is a reason most of the activities are happening uh, from the new technology perspective, from adoption perspective, from innovation perspective as well. So what is the kind of buzz JISEC is creating around the cybersecurity?
So definitely, yes, GI6 is a well-known event in the whole region as a platform for all cybersecurity experts, vendors, partners to be here to collaborate and be part of this event. We really enjoy to be in GISEC every year because it's a good chance for us to meet a customer, a prospect, a vendor, a partner, have a discussion around the cybersecurity trend, how can we help and support the community to be able to defend against those modern cyber attacks, which we see it moreover more often happening in our region specifically due to the nature of our region and how it is tempting for attacker and hacker to reach and target our region specifically in the Middle East region.
Yes, then what are the real challenges of this region? This region, be it any sector, are most regulated ones. Government agencies have got eyes on every sector. Nothing much can actually happen here. But what is your perception? How do you see this region?
So I would say the major one we see in our region is a shortage of skill set. So with the attacker nowadays, they use a more advanced technique using the generative AI and the AI in concept as a general. We see the cybersecurity team really have a challenge to be trained on those all new tools and techniques around them, and second, to have more for the cybersecurity team, to have more resource and personnel within their organization. So definitely this is not an easy one. So shortage of skill set and how can we augment this is one of the key focus for us and for all cybersecurity vendor to be able collectively to tackle this. And I think the second one is the digital transformation. So we see all companies here in Middle East adopted the digital transformation, and this led them to use sort of cloud services from one of those hyperscaler running their application in a container, mobile devices for access those services on an application, identity for people who is connected remotely. So how can we have a holistic, unified platform can provide all those kind of cybersecurity services to all this kind of services of attack, which any organization nowadays typically using in their environment.
All right. As a leading cybersecurity solution vendor, what is that new that you are offering this time?
So one of our new solution which we are presenting in JISEC, we call the Purple AI. It's our ChatGPT function inside our solution, because we found all consumers now are happy of using ChatGPT and tool like ChatGPT because it makes their life easier. So we thought, why not to do the same for cybersecurity teams? So instead of typing very advanced technical queries, what if they can interact and type English-like question to the system, and the system can respond to them. So you don't need to really be expert. You just need to know how to ask an English question. The system will give you the answer. They give you a recommendation for question as a follow-up to ask, and it keep helping you till you really get to the attacks. You could have faster respond in a faster way than you used to be in a traditional way.
So Is it available, the AI function, is it available, the entire series of products, all the products you have, or it is specific to certain products?
No, it's available today in all our solution in all the regions. So any customer of us today definitely can use it. Anyone want to try, want to see it, how it works, we definitely can give a chance and hands-on to see how it works. And we are presenting it in our booth in the wholesale.
Okay. Now, since it is a new addition, do the customer need to pay for to access the solution, or it comes integrated?
So in terms of availability of the solutions, it come automatically part of the solutions, but definitely customer who want to start using it, they will pay additional fees just to get the benefit of the Purple AI functionality part of their existing solution.
All right. If I can ask you, why purple? The name comes.
Purple is the theme of the company. So you see SentinelOne, everything is purple. Today I didn't wear purple, but yes, and, if you visit our booth, the logo, the color scheme, everything in us is around the purple color. So we thought, since this is the theme of the company, we called the product Purple AI to be one of our new addition to the portfolio of SentinelOne solutions.
Can I say that SentinelOne is going through a purple patch at this point of time?
Yeah.
Right? Commercially, it is available. People are liking it.
Yes, today our customers start using it and they saw the benefit and the value they are getting it, especially when it comes to detect earlier and respond faster to the attacks which they are facing day and day. Because you know, time is an essence when it comes to attacks. So when you have such kind of cyber attack in your organization, a second can really make a lot of difference. So we want to make sure our customer can respond in a faster way than what they used to do in a traditional solution without having a generative AI part of their solution.
Mr. Ezzeldin, you are part of the engineering group. So, what is your expectation out of this? You are not so much concerned about the commercial engagement as far as maybe partners are concerned, or the CISOs are concerned. What is your expectation out of it? What are you looking at from this expo?
Well, for us, again, me and my team is really looking to educate and help and participate part of like giving to the community. So we are doing on stage live hack session twice a day to make sure we educate our customer, prospect, people who is visiting our booth about, for example, yesterday we presented how to recover from ransomware attacks, what you need to do, best practices. Today we are presenting the use of generative AI, how to protect your identity. So me and my team is trying during those 3 days of event to do sort of awareness about cybersecurity, tackling certain topics which could be like in top of mind of the CISOs around the globe.
We have been discussing about the role of AI, particularly Gen AI. Now, what is the kind of role you are seeing? What is the kind of impact you are seeing Gen AI on the cybersecurity domain?
This is actually a very important question and very specific to our region. So, for example, one of the benefits of Gen AI is to augment, complement the shortage of skill set, which could be in a team or even the manpower. Let us look for us in Ramadan, for example, where we shorten the working hours. People doing praying at iftar time or breakfast, and people was paying less attention to a system. So imagine you leave this AI, Gen AI, cybersecurity analyst in duty, not replacing, taking care of what could happen in your environment, and whenever anything important happening or need your attention, it alerts you. So this is one of the benefits of Gen AI, where it can give ease of mind to security analysts who could be busy at a certain time during the day, or due to special occasions, like we took 9 days of vacation during Eid. So you want, even as a security analyst, to enjoy those vacations and definitely take it off while you are putting this Gen AI in duty to take care of anything of activity till you back to your normal duty. So this is again one of the use case which really very relative to our region here.
Yes, then we have got 10 seconds to conclude this interview. What is your expectation, or what is the roadmap for your company for this financial year?
So we are moving with the Purple AI solution, for our generative AI solution with our customer. We want to make sure this capability and functionality will be in the hand of all security experts to be able to use it. We enhance our platform to cover any kind of attacks, any kind of services, anytime where our customer really can enjoy the digital transformation journey while have a peace of mind regarding securing all the elements of this journey from cloud to identity, endpoint, and mobile. So this is our promise to our customer to make sure we cover everything in terms of cybersecurity services they might need to be part of our platform which they are using today.
Always, then thank you very much for taking time out and speaking to CIO TV, and you raised a lot of points here. You spoke about GenAI, how GenAI is evolving and impacting the entire landscape of cybersecurity, and the relevance of this region, how this region is going to lead the entire momentum in innovating and adapting newer technologies. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next year.